Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 38 of building yourself as a brand, and before starting anything I want to say it's so hot. Just cannot control it. You can't just stay without owning anything. Like I never felt so much hot in my entire life. These summers are like, oof, can I just take it? Okay, I just wanted to remove out the frustration. So sorry if you had to hear that. But okay, so today's day started fine. I told you all that I was not waking up early. So today I tried to wake up at 4, but I closed my eyes and fell back again, like slept again. But I woke up at 4:30 or 35, I think. Okay, so I woke up at that time. Then it was kind of late already because at 4:40 I will be going for workout, but I got late. So anyways, I did though. I went and drank 2 glasses of hot water this time. I used to drink warm water, but then I saw a video something that to reduce belly fat, drinking hot water first thing in the morning is good. So I drank a little bit hot water. So I don't have a habit of drinking hot water other than from the tea. So I could not take it more hot like a tea. That's why I just did a little extra temperature than the normal water that I drink. After drinking that, I went and prayed and then got changed into my workout clothes. Until I do all this, it was already 5 o'clock. Then I went to terrace and I started with my arm workouts and my hip dips workout. And then as it was already getting sunrise, so I just decided to do stretches and I did not do my daily workout. Okay, so I did the stretches and then I did my meditation and some breathing exercises. And while I was doing my eye exercises, rain came. It was tip. It had just started. So I just folded my things and got down into my room. Then it started to, of course, rain. After that, I did my journaling. I was feeling a lot sleepy. This is like, I don't understand my sleeping cycle because even after sleeping for more than 9 hours for 2 days, I felt so much sleepy today. And when I woke up, I was even thinking to get back to sleep. It's fine, I'll do it like later on and all that. But no, I didn't allow myself to do, because once I did, then it will again run up to 3-4 days. So I didn't want to give up today. So I woke up, that's what. After journaling, I did not even feel much to journal because I was kind of so sleepy. So I just journaled a little bit and did my affirmations. And then I read book though. I read book for like 10 minutes and then I watered my plants. So I wanted to get a little bit freshened up also. So I went to bath directly. I went to bath and nicely cleaned up my body today because it's so hot. You just cannot sit like this for even a minute that you will start sweating as if like you're bathing. So it's a very horrible kind of summers this time. So I took a bath and after that I went and prayed. And I had some clothes to fold as well, so I did the folding today. Did my editing, uploading and all that. When I kept a video for exporting, I was going in between and folding the clothes. So like that I did multitasking. After that I went and had my breakfast and then I came. Today I actually wanted to shoot a video, a dance video, but it was so hot. I was literally not feeling to change into my clothes. I can't say, and like no more comments on that. I like felt so frustrated and I could not do it, but I didn't have another option because even the fan is not enough right now. Even if you kept 2 fans in front of me, still I will be like feeling hot. So it's such a terrible summer's going on right now, even after raining. So that day it rained quite a lot, but today in the morning it didn't rain much. So we are feeling more hot than the other days as well. So after that, so I decided finally not to do with the regret actually. So I then had to post something else instead of the video, right? So I went and posted a shorts video on the YouTube, and I had to post even a reel video today, which also I had to shoot today itself. That also did not happen. So I created one reel from photos that I had, which were like a candid pictures, and I wanted to post them, but then I got this idea, let me to post like a reel out of the photos. So yeah, I did that. So the main task was like done of posting consistently, but I kind of feel off for the video because I wanted to post a long video for my YouTube, but I posted a shorts. So that one thing went down, but okay, fine, we'll adjust with it right now. So I'm thinking to shoot that video tomorrow anyhow, because I can't even give the excuse of the summers and this hotness like that also, right? So I have to do it in any case. Anyways, like Sunday I'm gonna take a head bath, so I thought that I'll shoot the video tomorrow, that even after the hair gets sweaty I can wash it on Sunday. So that was the actual plan, because my hair are getting wet like in a minute and I'm not able to tolerate my hair down. That is one more terrible thing that is happening. I'm feeling like to shave my head right now, that bad the heat is. Okay, बहुत बुराई कर ली of the summers, but seriously this time the climate is very very bad. Okay, after that I posted the edited reel video and posted that, and I practiced the dance that I'm gonna shoot tomorrow for a little time. I'm not even feeling to dance because I'm like sweating so much. So I just danced for a little bit, and after doing that I was feeling kind of hungry, so I drank water. Then I went and edited some more videos, like I'm just keeping up with the things, so which I can like pre-shoot and keep. For example, the videos of my narrations of Srimad Bhagavatam and all, so those I can like pre-shoot and keep, right? So that is what I'm doing. I'm keeping them pre-recorded so that I can then edit on the day and post them on that particular day. So that is what I was doing. So I did that and kept it edited and put it for the schedule. And after that I went and had my dinner. Then I came back and got freshened up. Actually freshened up in the sense I took a whole bath only. From 4 days I'm taking bath like twice a day. I used to just clean my body in the evening, like hands and legs and face, but now I'm taking the whole bath. So you can imagine how hot it is. After doing that I changed into my night clothes, and then I prayed and did that japa and all, and like set for recording and editing this particular video. And after that I went to sleep by 8:30. So that was the schedule, that was kind of my day today. So with this, day 38 came to an end, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.